Step 1. Understand your audience and tailor your presentation to their needs, interests, and knowledge level. Step 2. Define your core message and clearly state the key takeaway you want your audience to remember. Step 3. Structure your presentation logically with a clear introduction, body, and conclusion for easy understanding. Step 4. Craft a compelling opening that grabs attention and sets the stage for your presentation topic. Step 5. Use strong visuals, such as slides, charts, and images, to support your points and keep your audience engaged. Step 6. Practice your presentation thoroughly, rehearsing your delivery and timing until you feel comfortable and confident. Step 7. Record yourself presenting to identify areas for improvement in your speech, body language, and overall delivery. Step 8. Make eye contact with different members of the audience to build connection and maintain their attention. Step 9. Use clear and concise language, avoiding jargon or technical terms that your audience may not understand. Step 10. Project your voice clearly and speak at a moderate pace, varying your tone to maintain audience interest. Step 11. Incorporate storytelling or anecdotes to make your presentation more relatable and memorable for listeners. Step 12. Prepare for questions by anticipating potential queries and practicing concise, informative answers in advance.